Yo, what up guys, it's Juan. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing on the Galaxy Buds 2. Now these are going to be the latest buds from Samsung. Figured I would go ahead and just upgrade my old Galaxy Buds. I actually have them right here. So these are the OG Galaxy Buds, so I'll just do a quick comparison here for you. And initial first impressions of the Galaxy Buds 2 here. So these are going to be the latest ones that Samsung came out with. Their line of Galaxy Buds has thus been a little weird. So they actually dropped the OG ones 3-4 years ago. Kind of forget. I picked them up with my Galaxy S10 Plus back when they all came out. So they came out with those, and they ended up coming out with the Galaxy Buds Plus. They then went with the Galaxy Buds Live. They went to the Galaxy Buds Pro, and then now we're on the Galaxy Buds 2. So quite the variation and assortment of buds. So let's check it out without further delay. Let's go ahead and check these out. I've already gone ahead and cut the tape right here and packaging. So yeah, pretty simplistic in terms of the packaging and such. Nothing fancy. It's pretty straightforward and such. Let's get into it. And it's a little tough to get out here, but here we go. So that's pretty much it. You're not really going to be getting too much in terms of contents when you do get these. Just off the top right here, you're going to be getting the actual buds themselves. Let's put these aside for just a quick sec. Right here, you'll be getting the more than likely going to be the USB-C cable. Let's confirm here. Yeah, so pretty much just the USB-A to USB Type-C for the buds, and of course a few extra ear tips depending on if you are one that does not really fit the medium size that tends to come on these. And then underneath here, cannot get this out, good lord. Come on, man. So that took way too long. So be mindful of the pack of documents and such being pretty difficult to get out, because that was kind of ridiculous. Okay, so inside here, I'm assuming it's not going to be very much in terms of content. It looks like a quick start guide. No one really cares about that, if we're being quite frank. So let's put that aside for a sec and just get down to the buds themselves. So it comes wrapped up in this little plastic right here. You can pretty much either slip this off or just undo it. I'm just going to slip it off for the moment. So you're going to be getting this case right here. Now this case is pretty reminiscent of the Galaxy Buds Pro. It's effectively going to be the same shape, and it's going to be pretty comparable in size. With this one, you do get wireless charging. So on the back of the actual case here, you do see that you do get 5 to 20 hours of battery life, depending if you are using just the battery on the buds or in combination with the case. You are also getting the addition of ANC, so active noise cancellation is going to come in clutch. Nowadays I feel like everything is basically trending in that area. So if you do want a premium or mid-tier level of buds, headsets, or whatever, nowadays they're often going to come with AMC, with active noise cancellation, ANC. And that's pretty much it. Again, you do get wireless charging on these. Obviously right there you can see the USB-C charging port. And just quickly opening these up right here, they do come charged, obviously powered by AKG, and you do notice the different shade of color inside the case. The buds themselves are pretty lightweight. I will say they're a little glossy, a little slippery just on the initial feeling right here. And just for comparison's sake, I'll just present the OG Galaxy Buds. So now we're talking the Galaxy Buds versus Galaxy Buds 2. Obviously the case itself is going to be different, and the actual buds themselves are a little different as well. The OG Galaxy Buds came with a ear tip and a wingtip right here to kind of help with the secure fit of the buds themselves. These don't really have that, so be mindful and do take that into consideration, of course. So yeah, I'll do a review on these a little further down the road, and let you guys know what I think. Probably would not recommend the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds 2 for working out, simply because they only have an IPX2 rating in terms of water resistance. So while they would get the job done in, you know, like a worst case scenario, ideally you definitely want something with an IPX4 rating for anything like that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions on the Galaxy Buds 2, on the unboxing, or other products you would like to see in the future. Aside from that, it's Juan at JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.